Kumari, may kwento ako na hindi mo pwedeng palampasin tonight. Imagine, Friday midnight, city lights flickering above a sea of night market stalls. Ako in my chic bob and glossy lips, just casually browsing, pero secretly naghahanap ng konting thrill sa gitna ng mga ilaw at ingay. Then I spot him, tall, neat, wearing a navy shirt, standing by a table of handmade rings. Our eyes lock, he smiles, slow, sure, parang may alam siyang secret ko na hindi ko pa sinasabi. I trace a silver ring, feeling the cool metal, and he leans closer, his cologne mixing with the scent of rain on concrete. "You have good taste," he whispers, voice low and smooth. My heart, girl, parang nag-bungee jump sa loob ng dibdib ko. I laugh, light and teasing. "Or maybe you just like what I pick." He grins, holds my gaze, fingers brushing mine as he helps me try on a delicate bracelet. Time slows down. All I hear is the city's hush, and the way he says my name like a dare. My pulse skips a beat. Suddenly I realize, maybe the real find tonight isn't jewelry, but him. Tell me kung ikaw, would you let a stranger pick your next accessory or your next heartbreak?